Hey, hello again, it's Mike Foster. It's another Mike Eats the Street. Today I'm going to a place I haven't been to in years. I don't go to Burger King or McDonald's, but I'll be doing some Eats the Streets with there for some of their products that I haven't had. Now, I've had a Whopper before, but this is Mike Eats the Street, Burger King edition. A Double Whopper. We're gonna see if these guys can stand up to In-N-Out Five Guys. There it is, Burger King. Hey, can I get a Double Whopper with cheese and a large fry, please? No, that's it. Thank you very much.
Alright, 961. Second one, please.
Alrighty. Well, so far that was easy. So I'm going to try the Double Whopper with cheese. And of course, I'm going to try the fries. If the fries suck, then, you know, that's not a good thing. Alrighty. Alright, there's the size of this monstrosity. It is big. This is big. Mike does not eat stuff like this usually. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look, it looks pretty good. Looks good. Let's pose with it for the camera. Mike Eats the Street. Let's do it. Oh. Here's my problem. In the past with Burger King, I don't think they melt the cheese enough. I don't think the way they prepare these burgers, they're juicy enough. Nothing like Five Guys or In-N-Out. Let me try to get some taste here. I gotta tell you guys, the bun is doughy. The burger's not juicy. They say they do that flame broiled, but I'm not sure if that's tasty. Maybe it's healthier. The cheese is not melted. Oh man, this is gonna be my worst Mike Eats the Street ever. Try another bite. That's a very mediocre burger. I gotta tell you, it wasn't cheap. $6.39. I can get a double cheeseburger for a lot less than that at the In-N-Out. This burger, and I'm not being mean, I'm being Mike Eats the Street. That's not a good burger. It's about a 5 or 6. That's not very good. Only a starving person would eat that. See if they can redeem themselves with these fries. I know McDonald's fries are better, Del Taco fries are better. These are average fries. They're not terrible. They're not fantastic. Wow. Wow. I think you guys just saw it. Mike Eats the Street tried the Double Whopper at Burger King. And there you go. It's a thumbs down. I don't think I've done that before on Mike Eats the Street. But that's why it's fun. For more episodes of Mike Eats the Street, check out my YouTube channel. Live Life 365. Check out my other website too at the same name. And I gotta tell you, I hope you enjoy these Eat the Street, because I do. And I love doing videos for you guys about anything about life. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
All right, let's go to the drive-through lane here. Drive-through lane 1 and 2. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Burger King, thank you. I'll tell you if it's thank you or not. Thank God they gave me a napkin. All right. What's the opposite of sweet babu? Sweet doo-doo? I don't know if it's a sweet doo-doo. Here's the deal. How could they screw up a hamburger? How could In-N-Out and Five Guys be so much better than this? I have my opinion. But I do want to hear yours. Make some comments. Tell me why I'm a fool to go to Burger King. And guess what? I'll probably not go to Burger King again the rest of my life. Baba.